Good morning, all students. Children, now as we are about to begin with your examinations, as I've already told you that soon we will going to conduct your exams. So almost all the topics which we have already covered will be there in the syllabus. And today I do not want to continue with some other topic of the literature. I would continue with a topic of writing skills so that you can improve your writing skills and can even give your examinations to the best. Today we are going to talk about the speech. I told you at the time of the article writing that in the long compositions there are three important topics. One is speech, other is article, and the third one is debate. Articles we have already discussed, and today we are going to talk about the speech. I think you must try to understand that what is the difference between article and speech, because debate is something else. If you know the meaning of it, that's well fine. If you do not know, we'll discuss it later, but it's little different. There are certain very much similarities into article and speech. That is, in article also we were giving our own views, our own discussions, our own thoughts about a particular topic. In speech also we are giving the same, but here we are directly in contact with the audience. You know that in your school assembly, most of the time there is somebody who is coming to give a speech on the stage in the morning. Sometimes a teacher is describing something, sometimes your principal is giving some instructions, sometimes a child is talking about something. What is it that when somebody comes to the stage and says that today I am going to speak about this topic to you, I'll give a speech on this topic. So there the speaker is in direct contact with the audience, and then the speaker is giving the views and ideas about a particular topic. Now, the important thing is that to understand the content of the speech writing. Let us talk about the format. Format is first paragraph and thank you written at the end. That I will tell you. The first paragraph of the speech is very important, and I will describe that to you. In first paragraph, I have written something. Introduction of the speaker, greeting of the audience, announcement of the topic. The first thing is greeting of the audience. When somebody comes to the stage and starts speaking to the audience, what does he or she do? The first thing, that is, he or she greets the audience, wish the audience. How? By saying good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is. If we're talking about a school, then the speaker will start with good morning to the principal, respected teachers and all dear friends. That means a gesture of greeting, a respect towards the audience has been given. वैसे भी in general instructions also, हमारे घर भी कोई आता है, हम किसी से मिलते हैं, हम सबसे पहले उनको विश करते हैं. हम किसी से बात भी करते हैं, उसके बाद पहले हम विश करते हैं. So the first thing here into the speech also the same, because we are in direct contact with the audience, we are going to wish the audience. Then comes the second thing, and that is introduction of the speaker. You start and then you say that today I so and so. That so and so is your introduction. Who are you? Your name would come. You belongs to which class? That may come. If you are giving speech somewhere else, accordingly your post and your name will describe you as your introduction. Then comes the next thing, and that is announcement of the topic. You would have noticed मैंने ये नहीं कहा that the topic of the speech would be written at the top in the format. No, because the topic is to be given into the announcement while writing the first paragraph. Then the speaker would say that I so and so is standing before you to express the views on the topic dash. There comes the announcement of the topic. Understood? Now, then we'll discuss para 2 and 3 tomorrow, but first I want you to carefully understand. If possible for you, you can write it, though I'll try to attach into a PDF. I'm going to speak the first paragraph properly now. How you can start with? First thing, if the topic is interesting, you can even begin your speech with a quotation, with a question, with such phrase which can attract the audience to make it more interesting. That is not necessary. It is just to enhance your writing skills. Otherwise, you can begin with a very good morning to the honorable principal, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, XYZ of dash class, is standing before you to express my views on the topic dash. This is your first paragraph today. Try to understand it properly, write it accordingly, and then, because this is one paragraph which you can learn, and then you can write the same. Because once you get the start of a particular topic, then it becomes easier for you to go through it. So this is first paragraph which is given as a start to the topic, which is given as the skill of writing effect, and then tomorrow I'll explain you paragraph 2 and 3. Thank you.